Okay, we are gonna clean up the Halloween barn.
I'm Pierre Polyev, and this is my story.
Okay,
I was
be
born
right
to a
back.
teenage
Pick
mom.
all the pumpkins,
I
put them
adopted
away.
my school teachers. I married a proud.
Okay, that is the last one. And now we'll go grab the pumpkins from upstairs. Okay. Bucket. And jack-o'-lantern. And other jack-o'-lantern. There we go. Do I have any others? Here. Go. And there we go. My pile of pumpkins. Now I have this, and I will put every single pumpkin in there. Okay. Oh. Done. Wait. Okay. Okay. And we got these. So we're going to take these and put them in here as well. And then we have these left over from storage, but we'll keep them in there because we don't have any Christmas decorations yet. Oh, put them back in there. That. Just get these in as empty baskets. Yeah. Okay. That's that. No. Put this up on, and maybe a little bit feeding, maybe rounding. Riding is what I'm looking for. I'll take this up for a ride. And we just got the cross country jumps. And then we have two. Okay, and this up there. Okay. That looks good. And that. Okay. We'll grab Chris. Oh, we'll take his, not his, the barn blanket off him. And, oh my god, he's gone. Okay. There. And his neck. Done. Okay, now we'll take this and just, we take top. There we go. And now we're gonna hop on him. Oh, that never happened. Okay. I'm gonna hop on him. Go. Okay. Done. So, cross country. Oh man, I knocked it. Okay, let's try it again.
What?
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Couple more times. Okay. I think we're gonna go to the big jump. Oh man. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, that was good. Let's try it again. Maybe we'll do the little one. Whoa. Okay, someone's rude. Try this again. Yep. Okay. Okay, I think that is going to be good for our lesson today. And get him untacked. Okay, now we'll put his hook on. We'll lastly get his blanket on. Okay, and now we will just put you in. Got it. And no. Okay, you already have. Okay. And let's clean up. Pack away. Get the chunks away.
Found himself in a bit of trouble trying to battle Ryan Blaney for the lead. By bit, I mean quite literally crashed out of the race into the barrel. The drop. Did not allow the 12. You know, I'm looking for 5 games in the rear. The 5 into the water. The barrier's right at the end of pit road.
Okay, I think that would be good for today. Bye.
Prepare those barriers. He just misjudged it. His bad game is just 5 cars well. 5.